Hello friends, my name is Aditi Nikam. She is Kanchan Sawan, she is Sneha Kadam, and he is Anand Padolkar. So we are here to demonstrate our mini project, which is light management system in tunnel. The basic motive of our mini project is to conserve light energy and electricity, which is generally wasted in nowadays tunnel. So the components used in our mini project will be explained by Snehal, coding will be explained by me, and the demonstration will be given by Kanchan and Anand.
The basic components used in these projects are sensors, Arduino board, and jumper wires. This is the Arduino board. This is used to connect the USB port with PC and loading data into the microcontroller. This is the power switch. This is the analog pins and this is digital pins and this is the reset button. And next is HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. These are the two eyes of the sensor, transmitter and receiver. Transmitter transmits the sound waves and receiver receives the transmitted echo waves from the time interval of the sending and receiving the sound waves and speed of the sound will detect the distance of the object from the sensors and this is the jumper wire used for the connection between the sensor and the Arduino board and next part will cover the
So this is the basic code used for our mini project. Here we are having different pins such as LED 1 and LED 2. We are using 4 sensors over here. So we are having 4 types of trigger pin and 4 types of echo pin. Here we are having different duration and count, which duration is generally used for counting the time and count is used for counting the vehicles in the tunnel. Here different pins are described, such as trigger pin is an output pin and echo pin is an input pin. We are having different functions over here, such as void A, void B, void C and void D, which are used for counting the vehicles in the tunnel and incrementing it according to the sensor's input. This function, if count is greater than equal to 0, which means that if the vehicle is in the tunnel, the LED will glow on, and if there are no vehicles in the tunnel, the if statement will be equal to 0, and so the LED will glow off. So the demonstration of our mini project will be given by Anand and Kanchan.
So this is our tunnel. In that tunnel we use the 4 sensor ultrasonic sensors which can detect the vehicle inside or not, and when the vehicle enters, the LEDs are glows on and off. And these are jumper wires carrying the signals toward the Arduino, and LEDs are connected through the Arduino which can glow at the time of vehicle and this is a USB cable to the PC which can give power supply to the Arduino board, and this is on and off and disabled.
and this is our vehicle. So as we already told you that we are using here 4 sensors. These 2 sensors are connected at the entrance of the tunnel and these 2 sensors are connected at the exit of the tunnel. These 2 sensors will detect the vehicle and the count get increasing, and after vehicle exit from the tunnel, these 2 sensors will decrease the count. Now here we can see the serial monitor. We are see here the output is 0. It means that there is no vehicle in the tunnel. Now just imagine we pass vehicle from here. See, the count is here 1. The count is 1. It means that the vehicle is in tunnel. And now
the vehicle is pass out, then the LED glows off.
Now we can see the actual demonstration. So we are going to see the actual demonstration of our project. This is our vehicle. As vehicle pass through the tunnel, the light will glows on, and as vehicle get out from the tunnel, the LED will glow off. So this is our project light management system in the tunnel. By this project we conserve the electricity in the tunnel. That is it. Thank you.